This is one of these plants that keeps having its name changed. Some of you may know it as Genista Porlock. Some of you may know it as Cytisus fragans or Cytisus Porlock. According to the RHS dictionary, the correct title today for this plant is Cytisus Porlock. Anyway, as you can see, this plant is just about finished flowering, and everywhere you look, enormous seed pods are starting to form. They're going to take a lot of energy out of the plant, and it's debatable whether we should really let it seed like this. In addition, the plant is becoming a bit overgrown, really rather floppy, and just as it's finished flowering is the time to give it a bit of a haircut. And what I'm going to do is simply just trim this plant back by about 18 inches. Right along the side. I'm going to shape it up nicely, and it'll take a minute or two to complete, but you can see what I'm getting at here. I'm shaping the bush, I'm removing a lot of seed heads, and also what I'm doing, and possibly the most important part of what I'm doing, is I'm encouraging the plant to put a secondary set of new growth on, which means that by late summer we'll actually have another huge crop of flowers, which have been so absolutely wonderful over the last 6 or 8 weeks from April into May. As you can see, there's still plenty of flowers here. So I'm shaping, I'm trimming, I'm improving the plant, and I'm trying to encourage it to flower again before the end of this season. All good news, very simple, very easy.